this is Steel4You. I am Ava Zakany, the project executive. I've been with the company for 6 years and I have 9 years total experience in the construction industry.
Hi, my name is Serenity Ochoa and I am the project manager. I have been with this company for 2 years and I have overall a total of 9 years of experience.
Hello, I'm Ariam Hernandez and I am the company's foreman, and I have been working for this company for 4 years with a total of 7 years of experience in the construction industry.
Hi, my name is Callie Jean. I'm the assistant project manager. I've been with Steel4You for about 3 years with an overall experience within the construction industry of 5 years.
Today our team will be presenting to you our bid proposal for the U.S. Federal Courthouse located in Flagstaff, Arizona. We wanted to thank you for reviewing our written proposal and bid proposal. In this presentation, we will be explaining our scope of work, schedule, logistics plan, and cost summary. Our scope of work includes structural steel framing, architecturally exposed structural steel framing, steel joist framing, and steel decking.
Leading on to our logistics plan, we will be fencing off the north side of West University Avenue and along South Thompson Street. There will be existing utility lines on our site, so therefore we would have to call Blue State to get those marked off. That way we don't have any hits of when we place our crane along South Thompson Street. On that, we will also have our material placement along South Thompson Street. We will also have extra parking for our faculty, staff, and employees. We will also have extra space for material that will be delivered to the site coming in from Phoenix, Arizona. And we'll have traffic control along these streets.
As far as the scheduling narrative goes, the proposed bid was awarded to Steel4You on December 2nd, 2025, with estimating and budgeting starting the same day. This is to ensure that approvals are received before March 2nd, 2026, which is when site and foundation work will begin. In accordance with Steel4U's scope of work, steel will be ordered on March 2nd as well, with an estimated completion date of March 8th, 2026. Every steel section, including anchor bolts phase 1 through 4, joist metal deck, will be handled according to the provided schedule. You can find that with the files that we have sent in. And the general format for each section will be to prep the shop drawings, approve them, fabricate the steel, deliver the steel, mobilize as needed, and erect the steel. Once the erection has been completed of one section, inspections will be conducted and passed before we can commence to the next section of the erection. And the inspections have been marked as milestones on the schedule provided. It's very important to note that shop drawings for one section are being fabricated. The shop drawings for the following section will be prepared as well. Because Steel4You is contracted to carry out the steel scopes of this project, the provided schedule does not account for all tasks outside of our scope. This is why there is a gap on the schedule that has been provided.
The total cost of our scope of work will be $533,156. And that includes each section, including structural steel, open web, steel joist, and metal deck. If you would like to see the specifics on what we were introduced, you can see the attached amount for each section in our written report. The labor crew selected from this estimate was chosen based on the scope availability and volume of work required for this project. The crew predictability rates were assumed due to industry standards and historical project performance with our previous projects and companies that we have worked with. Additional assumptions regarding any material availability, any weather and installation methods, and efficiency have all been included. Our pricing has been adjusted to local conditions due to Flagstaff weather in the summer and in the winter, the current market rate, and project-specific requirements. Our quantity and cost summary table has been outlined of all necessary components that are needed in these estimates for our project. Our cost summary is intended to provide a realistic estimate of the expected construction project.
The reason we think that you should choose Steel4You is because safety is and always will be our #1 priority. We provide a safe and healthy workplace, not only for our employees, but whoever steps onto our site.
Our company motto is Steel4You is always looking out for you.
This means following all standards listed in OSHA 1926 subpart R, taking extra initiative to make sure that all machinery, equipment, and site conditions are risk-free at the beginning of the day before allowing any of our employees, subcontractors, or other site personnel to work on our site. We hope that this has convinced you to choose us as your steel subcontractors for this project. We appreciate you coming in and listening to our presentation.